There's several room types to choose from. My bedroom is very large. I have a large bed, my own study desk, I have wardrobe space and a sink in my room which I can brush my teeth and wash my face at night.
Beds are really comfy, it's really clean, very spacious.
The bathroom I share with everyone in the flat, but it's really big and it has a great shower in. There's plenty of storage space in the kitchen that we all have a cupboard each, which is brilliant.
We've got 2 sets of hobs, so that's 8 hobs altogether. We've got 2 ovens, so it's not a problem if we're cooking at the same time.
We've got couches in here so we can all chill and watch telly together.
St Andrew's Gardens is in a circle, so if one of my friends is in another flat, it doesn't take me long to get there.
The atmosphere is really friendly and it's quite a communal area. Everyone's in quite a close-knit community. I feel really safe at St Andrew's Gardens because there's CCTV everywhere and there's always a staff member on site.
It's great having someone overnight, obviously, because if something does happen, you can just go downstairs. It doesn't take any time at all.
The staff here are really helpful. They're just in the centre of the circle, so you can just pop by whenever you need them.
I get to know them every day and we talk and chat and they're just really nice.
Having a laundrette on site is brilliant because you can just pop in, put your laundry in and go back to your room.
You're not lugging all your dirty clothes or your clean clothes. It's really quick and easy.
The Wi-Fi here is really good, it's really fast and you can get it wherever you are on the site.
It's dead stable, it never shuts off. I watch Netflix and it's dead fast, it never stops, never buffers.
Having my bills all included is brilliant because I can just pay one set fee and then I don't really have to worry about it again.
So all the bills included is just a massive help. It just takes a lot off your mind. St Andrew's Gardens is really close to Liverpool Lime Street. Got all the universities, so John Moores, Liverpool University, it's all within walking distance.
It's really easy to get into the city centre, it's just a 10-minute walk. So you can go down to the docks or you can go to Liverpool 1 and do some shopping.
And as for bars, you can just pop into the town centre and go to the bars there.
Living at St Andrew's Gardens to anyone, the location's great. There's really comfy beds, the staff is brilliant and it's really close to university.